My house is sold. Okay, so yeah, I sold my house. It is weird. I've done the final walkthrough. I'm going through the closing today, and that's it, an end of an era. What does this mean moving forward? Well, it means I'm semi-full-time. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and this is Semi Full-Time. This series is a new series for me. It's going to be talking about how I lost my job, how I am searching for my new job, what I had to do with my home. I ended up having to sell it, and what that was like, and then living semi-full-time in my RV, because right now that's what I'm doing. So I hope you like the content here. If you do, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and it'll alert you anytime a new video comes out. Remember, new videos come out every Thursday here on the channel. So let's talk a little bit about how this all went down. I work in the news business as a news director. Behind the scenes, a new company took over the station that I was working at. They decided to make some changes, and it's their prerogative to do so. And I was one of the changes that they made. It's difficult because I certainly loved the people that I worked with and loved the challenges on a daily basis, and I do like to work. So it was a very difficult time for me. What I did then was tape a video, and I wasn't sure whether or not I was going to share it or whether or not I was going to use it or how it was all going to go down. But I taped something right after I kind of got the news, and here, let's just go ahead and take a look at it. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and this is a kind of difficult video for me to do. I don't even know if I'm going to show anybody this video, but I thought I might as well go ahead and record it and have it just in case. You know, I try to be very open and honest with you guys every time I'm doing all my videos, and everything that you see is really me, and that's who I am. But one of the things I haven't shared with you guys is the fact that I was laid off from my job. So this was about the 1st of June. They decided they wanted to go in a different direction. I certainly respect their decision, but it means that I'm out of a job, and I have to try and find some place because I'm way too young to just go ahead and retire, and you know, I have to figure out something to do for the next however many years that I'm going to be working. So what that means is I have to look all over the country and even the world for the next job, and it's almost 90% guaranteed that it's not going to be here in Tallahassee. Tallahassee is where I'm based right now, and that's where I stay, and that's what I'm figuring out right now. Where is going to be the next place for myself, David, and RVJedeye, wherever that ends up. So that means I have to make some very difficult decisions. So that's the way it was right after I lost my job, just about a week or so. Right after I lost my job, I took some time, a couple of days to myself, to go out in the RV and just kind of clear my head and start figuring out what the next steps would be. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be sharing with you that process about how I made some decisions. Obviously, one of them, you know, is to sell the house, and we'll talk about that in another upcoming video. But for right now, that's where I'm at. I'm in the process of searching for a new job. And I am learning to live full-time in my RV, or as I call it, semi-full-time. So we'll see what this adventure leads us to. Wherever it goes, you're going to be a part of it, and so I certainly appreciate you watching. Hey, get out there, RV, if you can. Stay positive as much as you can, and thanks for watching Semi Full-Time. Who knows where this all may lead.